Looks like it went this way. Come on.
Hey, wind's picking up.
No need to worry just yet. And watch it. That thing could be anywhere.
Hey, there's water here.
Sure that's safe?
It's just rainwater.
Yeah, with stuff floating in it.
Let's assume I'll live. Tell me you heard that.
There!
It's on the move!
After it!
Wind flare incoming!
Get inside the fort!
Seriously?
Damn it! Back to town! Or not!
JD!
Yeah,
There's a gate here!
coming!
Go! Ah!
Don't stop! Keep going!
Hey, there's shelter just ahead!
Holy!
JD! Door!
Go! Get inside!
Now what?
Now we find out if that thing's in here with us.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's go check it out.
It's glowing.
Ugh. Through here. Ugh. What is that?
Don't touch it. JD!
I'm okay. Son of a... I think it shorted out my flashlight. Great.
Well, you're glowing now, so that's good.
Let's just get the hell out of here. There it is! Quick, come on!
It's on the roof!
Let's go! Move! Oh, no. All right. Just don't touch the pods.
It's above us!
Easy.
I'm beginning to think we're not the hunters anymore.
Let's just clear this courtyard.
There! Come on! Through the door!
Yeah, going! Okay, you're a big fella. Easy now. Oh, that's not good. Move!
Xbox One, now $349.